and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. She's my little helper as always. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious asparagus pasta with this wonderful creamy sauce. Yeah, there's really not that much to say about it except that it's absolutely delicious. It's really easy. It comes together pretty quickly. Perfect for like a weeknight dinner. Yeah, he agrees with you guys. I mean, he agrees with me. Yeah, exactly. You tell them. So if you guys want to see how it comes together, make sure that you keep watching. And as always, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now and make sure that you show us some love. Bye, guys.